Hello everybody, how are you today? Do you remember my name? My name is Tommy, Tommy. Today I am going to talk about the inventors of the sewing machine. The inventors of the sewing machine are Isaac Singer, Elias Howe, and Bartholomew. So now, are you ready? Let's get started. A long time ago, people had to sew by hand, right? They had to make pants by hand or shorts. They had to make shoes by hand. They did not have a machine that could make work go faster. In 1830, a man had an idea. His name was Bartholomew. He wanted to make a machine that could sew faster than a person could sew. He made one that worked. Because if it doesn't work, then his idea will not work either. So he had to make one that worked. It took him 700 years to make one. He had a thread and a needle goes up and down. It could sew or make clothes faster. Other people who made clothes were mad. They burned his shop to the ground, and they also burned his invention. They did not like it that he had made a new invention. They were scared that he would make all the money. Two men made new machines. Their names were Elias Howe and Isaac Singer. The two sewing machines all worked. It took Elias Howe 700, and it only took Isaac Singer 2 or 3 years. Isaac Singer sewing machine was the best. It was also a great sewing machine today. It could make clothes faster, and the sewing machine of Isaac Singer was named the Singer sewing machine. Now I will talk more about the sewing machine and all the inventors. Did you know how did the sewing machine work? We needed a lot of parts to make it work. We needed gears inside to make it work. It just looks like a normal model outside, but there are thousands or even hundreds of gears inside. The part that would make it work is a small engine. It will make it go up and down. But the first sewing machine is even harder. There's a paddle. You have to go it like this to make it sew. Up and down. You use your feet to make it go up and down. Then it could sew. But the next one, you just need to turn on the engine, and then it works. You also needed gears. Gears. Do you know what are gears? Sometimes you have gears on a clock. The gears can move the gears can move the hour point, or to make all the points go round and around. So that's how a clock works. But the sewing machine can do work faster. The gears had to be lie down, not stand up like this, but had to lie down to make this go up and down, up and down, up and down. But it goes up and down very fast, so you have to be careful. If you touch it, you might get a cut on your finger because the needle is very sharp. Be careful, don't touch the needle. You can touch the other parts of the machine, but don't touch the needle. Do you know how to use a sewing machine? You have just like the minute button. You have the turn on and off button, and you have the button that can make it go slow or fast. If you push the minute button, you can push 1, 2, or 3 minutes for it to sew. If you push the on and off button, it will turn it on or off. If you turn on the slow button, it will make the sewing machine, right, to sew slowly. But if you make it go fast, be careful, don't touch it, because you might get 5,000 cuts on your finger. So now, it's the end of today's video. If you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Let's write my name. Tommy. So see you